What? What's up, everybody? This is Blue Ripper 1424, and I finally got Scar King and Kong. Hold on, I forgot my scissors. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot my scissors. Move this. Right now, I'm gonna open Scar King first. Here we go. Give me a second. Okay. There we go. Let's move the box. Scar King out of his box. Just hold on. Here's the whip. Now, I have heard from a friend of mine. Oh, yeah, you can actually move it a bit. Now, Scar King looks pretty cool. Rotation, legs, swivel. And swivel in there. That can go up that far. Rotation in the hands. And So yeah, and here's the whip. And you can put it in. It's Blue Ripper and I'm doing a video. Yeah, and there's that. Let's move him aside. Let's get Kong out. Give me a second, everybody. There, I got Kong out. It's Blue Ripper and I'm doing a video. Yeah, everybody, this is gonna take me a while to open. We'll get that later. But rotation. I like the Beast Glove. I really do. Yeah. In fact, let's see how tall he is to Skar King. Hold on. Unfortunately, I don't have a stand. So this might take a while. But the heat looks really good. Kong's the same size, but let me get that one. I got this one. Evolve. Yeah, if you saw my other video, I got Godzilla evolved. Yeah, Godzilla's a bit taller. So, yeah. But, yeah, there's that. I love the scarring. In fact, right here's from Godzilla and the other one, and right here's from the skull crawlers. But yeah, hold on. I need to do something. I got 3 Kongs here. See how tall to the other Kong. Yeah, they're a bit the same size, but one's a bit darker, and yeah, so I'm calling Battle Kong. See how he does with the battle axe. Sorry, I didn't mean to stomp out my foot. I was getting a, I cannot put this axe in. Oh well, I'll do it later. But yeah, it's very good detail. Arms go like this. I love the beast glove and everything, numbers on it. Yeah. And yeah. So I am doing a video. Yeah, and it's very good. I need to take my shot because I got, and it's very rough too, which I like. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. It's more good than the other Kong that I have right about here. And yeah, but if I can get the axe in. I've seen others get that. I don't know. I've seen other people get the axe in. Hold on. I cannot get that axe in. What the heck? I've seen some people do it. Oh well, I'll get the axe in there later. But yeah, it's pretty cool. In fact, if I can get Scar's Kingness, then I can put this. Oh. Yeah, you can do like that with the bone slash or whip slash. And yeah, that's kind of it for my video, I think. Hold on, sorry about that. I think that's the end of my video, so yeah, goodbye.